Oops. All right, Mazda 5, doing the rear shock or rear strut right here. I've already done the fronts. That's gonna be uploaded in a separate video. Today's video is gonna be ones for the rear. Okay, pretty easy install here. 3 bolts to take it off. 2 up top here. 1 on the back side, back here somewhere, and then 1 bolt to take off the mount to put on the new one. This is my new one here. I'm going with the KYBs, XLGs. I got KYBs for the front to match, so I'm doing the same in the rear. Part number there, 343412. Okay. But yeah, this is a lot easier than the front. The front requires a spring assembly, a spring compressor, but for the rears, the spring is back here. So we don't have to mess with any spring compressor. You just 3 bolts and take it off. So let's get started. All right, first 2 bolts I'm gonna take off are the ones up top. Those are 212, so let's go ahead and take these off. That's 1. That is 2. Okay, let's get the bottom bolt out. Okay, 1 bolt here, 17. Get this off. Okay, pull that out. And there goes your assembly. Push up, press on the shock a little bit. Keep going. And out it goes. Let's go take a look. Okay, so here's a better view of it and then daylight. Okay, there's 1 bolt up here we gotta take off, so we're gonna reuse this mount. Inspect your mount. If it is damaged or anything like that, you're gonna have to replace it. Also, your bump stop here, inspect that. Mine looks pretty good, so I'm gonna reuse that. And then this dust cover, all this 1, 2, 3 is gonna be put on the new one. This is my new one here, the KYB XLGs. Gotta take this off, and then it'll go right up. It's going, and comes with a new nut here. So let's go ahead and take this one off, and then we'll put this new one, these 3 on this one. Okay, if you look closely at the mount here, this nut right here is a 13. Okay, but you're gonna need an adjustable wrench or pliers or something to hold this down while you turn the nut. Okay, if you don't use this whole assembly is gonna spin and the nut's not gonna come off. So. Okay, there's the nut. And slide this whole assembly out. Okay, and verify that the lengths are correct. Okay, go ahead and put your new one on. Okay, get your new nut, put that on. Okay. Oops. Yep. Okay, now that you got this on, it's ready to be put back in. Okay, so we're getting ready to put the new one in. So what you want to do is you want to compress it first, all the way as far as you can, and then we're going to put the bottom in. Reverse back in the hole. Put these up top. Just put the nuts on there temporarily. Okay, get the bottom bolt on. Okay. Put a dab of Loctite on there. Go ahead and put the bolt back in the bottom, like so. Okay, we gotta torque this bolt down. Okay, this bolt right here, 75 pounds. Okay, 75 pounds there. Let's go ahead and get the top ones in. Tightened up. Okay, and they require a 20 pounds foot of torque. 20 this side. 20. Okay, that's it for this side. Go ahead and repeat the steps for the other side, and yeah. Okay, there should be enough space. Okay, there it is. Okay, 75 pounds. Double check the other side. Okay, that's it. 20 pounds. So easy install. Like I said, it's a lot easier than the front, the back. Just 3 bolts right there. But yeah, that's what it looks like there. Okay, cool. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.